Well, we fitted a new one of them. Use the old bolts, obviously, because why wouldn't you? Lever points out in that direction, so that's all good. I also sported a new rubbery doodah just because I was ordering massive amounts of stuff. So that's ready. Let's put the tank in and see if it all works. Okay, back working again. That's nice. Engine light is still on. Probably need to change the fault codes for the thing and the doodad and the what's it. So I'm going to get you set up so you can see that, because you might be interested. Stay there a minute and I'll be back. So this is dealer tool. It's just like a one-off thing. You buy the license for this bike. Tell them the codes of this bike, then they sort of activate this tool to read your bike only. It can go to other bikes, you just got to tell them that it's no longer registered for this bike. Here's all the fault codes currently. Fuel sensor high input, fuel pump fault, pump ground, ground. Probably because I had disconnected all the things. Okay, where's my little mouse? Scroll down. Yeah, I'd unplugged all these at some point. So I'm going to clear them fault codes, because at the minute any one of those might be putting that light on there. Clear fault codes. Huh. Yes. Clearing. Fault's cleared. Okay. Check for fault codes. Checking codes. Please be no codes. No codes. Quite pleased with that. Back to main page. There's lots of other things this, if you're interested. Test modes. What should we test? We can test the fuel pump, the cooling fan. Should we test the cooling fan? Yeah. Wait for that to do its thing. Oh look, instrument panel test there in a minute. We can get it to rev up and do stuff. I've messed with this before, so you know, you get the idea. Cooling fan test. Hit the run test button. Listen. Nice. Yeah, that's cool. Test complete. Thank you. Does other stuff, but you understand how that works. Okay, what else did it do? Instruments. Check all the things, do the stuff, rewrite stuff to instruments. Test modes. Test modes. What was I going to test then? Don't know what I'm doing now. I'm just clicking stuff around so you can have a look-see. Sensor values. Got to wait for that to do something. Fast forward this bit. That's still on. So I'm guessing when I turn the ignition off and back on again, that'll go. Let's go up to... Where's my little mousey? Sensor values. Have I got to go back to the main menu? I tell you what, it's a good job if I don't work with computers. Here. Engine speed. That all makes perfect sense. Air temp. Stuff like that. What other pages have we got? Page 1. Yeah, we're not going anywhere. Page 2. Page 3. Look, neutral switch says neutral now. Side stand is up. Moving side stand down. And I can't tell it's down, so I need the computer to tell me the side stand's down. Up. Good job I got a laptop to tell me that. Wouldn't have known otherwise. What does this one say? Stuff and things. Perfect. Well, let's turn you off. Off, whatever. Let's turn you off by doing this. You can just turn everything off here. That turns everything off. Relays have clicked. Turn that back on. Turn this back on. You know, engine check light's still on. This might be because it just needs to run up again. Or it might be that I don't know what I'm doing. Fuel light's gone off though, so the fuel indicator. Why have you come back on? Checking faults, checking faults. No fault codes. Why is the engine check light on? Maybe it's got to cycle through a few times. Right, let's fire it up and see if that light goes out. Because there's no faults. Light shouldn't be on. Right, let's get rid of this and then we'll start it up again. Bear with. Okay, laptop has been discombobulated. That's still saying I need petrol. It wasn't saying that a minute ago, was it? Maybe I need petrol. Maybe it's all pissed out on the floor. Who knows? Let's go again. Whoop, go. Good. Ignition on. Check light, check light, check light. Fuel's happy again. Everybody's happy. Oh, fuel's not happy. Maybe I've got to run it up for the fuel to work. Hit the go button. Bring the thunder! Well, we're pretty happy with that. All check lights gone off. Warning lights gone off. Things are working. Going to run it up to temperature now, make sure the fan actually kicks on with the temperature, not just the computer, and then probably just put everything back together and go for a ride. No, we won't be doing that. Slight leak. I've undone the thermostat to test it and not done it back up again. Done them back up. Leak fixed. Panic over. Just smoke burning off. Fan's just kicked in. Feel the fan blowing there. Temp's coming down. Fan's gone off. Nice. Run up the temp, fan cut in, temperature came down. It's all good. Bit of smoke coming off there. I think that's just oil. I'll keep the eye on it. And that, you know, because I'll put an egg in it. Might be a bit weepy. We'll keep an eye on that. It's just first time it's come up with temperature is all. I'm sure it's fine. If it's not, it's only a radiator. Anyway, front brakes come up nice anyway. Keep a zip tie on your front brake lever overnight. Works a treat. Right, let's get these plastics on, shall we? So I can take them all off again to change the radiator, obviously. I like doing things twice. Cool, happy with that. Let's go. I've made a clean spot. Keep your eye on that. We'll check. We'll come back and check later. Boo. That's supposed to change the speed. You've got to finish it off with a bit of Uncle Albert's special juice. A rag that hasn't got swarf in it. Yeah, a nice juice. So that's it for this build. Oh look, moss. Check back when we start on Project Blue. Much the same, different flavour machine. That'll MOT. Not with those tyres.